Hi everyone, welcome back to Lights Camera Bake. Today this is the first video of 2021. I nearly said 2020. Let's not repeat that year, shall we? Hi everyone, welcome back to Lights Camera Bake. This is the first video of 2021. We have made it, yay, finally. But I thought I'd start the year off with a bang, really. A delicious bang with Kinder Bueno cookies. Now, if you know my blog, you know that we love Kinder Bueno over here. So I've decided to make these cookies giant. So it's really up to you if you want to stick to making giant cookies or whether you want to sort of halve the sizes so you end up with about 20 cookies instead of 10. It's really up to you, but I'm making giant ones because I love Kinder Bueno. So let's get started. Just a few things. Forgive my appearance if I'm sweating. It is like 32 degrees and I've turned off the fans so that it doesn't interrupt this video. I can't even wear makeup because it's literally melting off me. So yeah, good old Australia. Let's make these cookies. So to begin, you're going to need 220 grams of cold butter. Now I'm talking cold, straight from the fridge and cut into cubes. You're going to mix that with 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of sugar. Now you want to beat that together. You're going to need a stand mixer or some sort of an electric whisk for this, as cold butter just won't mix by hand. Make sure that there's still lumps of butter visible, and then stop beating while there's still lumps. So to that we're going to add 2 eggs and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I probably put a little bit more. I just wing whenever I do vanilla, and beat that together. Again, you still want lumps of butter visible. Now to that we're going to add in the flour, corn flour and baking powder. Here, if you like to add salt to your baked goods, add in like a pinch of salt as well. I use salted butter, so I never do because I find things salty regardless. I'm weird like that. I don't know why. Beat that together in your stand mixer or with an electric whisk until everything is combined. So here we're going to add in a full cup of chocolate chips. Yeah, a lot of chocolate here. Around about 3 bars of Kinder Bueno, all chopped up into different sizes, and of course Kinder chocolate as well, because we want bursts of lovely Kinder chocolate through these cookies as well. Now here I like to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Because it is so hot today, I'm chilling for an hour at least, because that butter will have softened yet again. So now that the dough is chilled, we want to line 2 trays. I like to do 2 trays at a time with baking paper. Then we're going to take large, sort of tennis sized blobs of the cookie dough and place them on the sheet, and we bake that at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Now that the cookies have cooked, you'll see from the short video that I've shown you, I also topped mine with just some extra Kinder Bueno and Kinder chocolate just to let it melt into the top, purely for aesthetic reasons, and you know, more chocolate, always good. But that's totally optional if you want to add just a little bit of extra. And there you have it. Super easy, super quick. I'm so hot. I'm dying. Oh, I need to turn the fan back on. So I'm going to wrap this up really quickly. The full recipe, as always, is on my blog, and I've linked that below. Yeah, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes for 2021. I will be here more often, hopefully. I'm trying to get a whole lot of videos filmed, and yeah, comment below if you make these, let me know how you love them, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.